Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Weather Station is probably one of the most engaging and educational ways to introduce children to the wonders of meteorology, fostering a love for science and observation from a young age. This video will dive into the top picks, comparing features, ease of use, and educational value to help you select the perfect weather station for your young scientist. Number 5. SMARTRO SC91 Alarm Clock. It projects the time in soft red onto your ceiling or wall. You can easily adjust the projection angle and brightness to suit your needs. It automatically switches between indoor and outdoor temperatures. This clock provides accurate indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity readings. Keep track of your home's climate and ensure optimal living conditions for you and your family. It displays the time, date, and weather forecast. The large LCD screen shows clear weather patterns, mold alerts, and barometric pressure trends. You can adjust the backlight brightness. Place it in your bedroom and add up to 3 wireless remote sensors, sold separately, to monitor temperature and humidity in other areas of your home, up to 200 feet away. Set 2 separate alarms for weekdays and weekends. It has a snooze function, letting you enjoy a few extra minutes of sleep. The alarm automatically turns off after 2 minutes if not dismissed. What we like. It projects the temperature onto your ceiling, so you can see it from bed. It also has both indoor and outdoor sensors for a complete picture. If you're looking for convenience and accuracy in a weather station, this is the one for you. What people say. These interior-exterior projection alarm clock thermometers have a very clear display on house ceilings, with a sequential display of times temperatures, alternating between interior and exterior temperatures on ceilings. The LCD display is identical to the photos shown in the Amazon description, with a constant display of time, interior and exterior temperatures, and interior and exterior humidity shown in percentages. The projection of time and temperature is crystal clear on the ceiling, and since it's red, it does not interfere with sleeping. Number 4. Be amazing. Weather Science Lab. Ever wondered how weather works? This kit lets you explore the mysteries of climate and learn to predict it, just like a real scientist. With 20 all-season activities, it's perfect for any climate. It's a fun and educational way to boost your cognitive skills. Learn to make a cloud in a bottle, measure temperature and atmospheric pressure with real tools, and even identify different cloud types. Set up your own weather station indoors or take your experiments outside. It's a great way to learn and have fun, no matter the weather. It encourages note-taking for accurate forecasts. You'll be predicting the weather like a pro in no time. This kit covers a wide range of weather-related subjects, making learning fun and engaging for young scientists. What we like. This kit comes with 20 different experiments to do, keeping your child busy for hours. It's perfect for kids who love hands-on learning and exploring the science behind weather. If you are looking for an engaging and educational weather science kit for your child, this is the best choice. Number 3. Original Stationery Weather Kit. It's a comprehensive weather station for budding meteorologists. Build a sundial, a thunderstorm model, and even a wind turbine, everything you need is included. Dive into the science of weather with 26 engaging experiments and games. Learn about the water cycle, temperature, and much more through hands-on activities. Uncover the mysteries of weather patterns, cloud types, and seasons. The included booklet is packed with fascinating information to expand your knowledge. It's a screen-free, fun-filled experience. With 62 pieces for crafts and games, it provides hours of educational entertainment, both indoors and outdoors. It's the perfect gift to spark curiosity and creativity. This kit inspires kids to think critically and learn scientific concepts, making it an ideal present for any young scientist. What we like. It includes everything you need to build your own weather station and conduct 26 different experiments. It also comes with an educational booklet filled with fun facts. If your child enjoys hands-on learning and wants to become a meteorologist, this is the perfect gift. What people say. Over 60 pieces, including weather-themed toys and experiment materials. 26 plus exciting experiments to explore extreme weather and scientific concepts. The experiments are well designed, easy to set up, and most importantly, fun. Number 2. 4M Weather Station Kit. Uncover the secrets of meteorology with this comprehensive weather station. It's a fantastic way for young scientists to learn about weather patterns and climate. This kit includes everything you need: a wind vane, anemometer, thermometer, and rain gauge. You'll be able to measure wind speed, direction, temperature, and rainfall. Use the included components and a recycled bottle to create your own terrarium. This is a great way to observe the greenhouse effect in action. It's fully assembled and ready to use, measuring just 8.5 by 4.75 inches. It fits perfectly on a desk or shelf, making it easy to monitor the weather. Recommended for ages 8 and up, it's a fun and educational gift that sparks curiosity and encourages scientific exploration. It's a great STEM toy. It's part of the 4M range of educational toys, covering science, arts, crafts, robotics, and more. There's something for every young explorer. What we like. This kit has all the tools to measure wind speed, rainfall, and temperature. You can even build a terrarium to study the greenhouse effect. If you want a comprehensive and hands-on weather station, this is a great option. What people say. We have tested this product with both the suggested dirty water and water colored with food coloring, and it worked on both cases. It should be noted, however, that the filtering materials are very small quantities, so using a big amount of water, dirt, or colors will make it less efficient faster. I would suggest to do the test with small amounts. I think 50 milliliters is more than enough to demonstrate the principle. For the dyed water I ended up using only 20 milliliters. My daughter used it for her science project and it was very fun for her to do, and she assembled it herself with my guidance to explain the instructions. She is first grade, so I do not think it is very challenging, but fun and educating to observe. Arrived when expected. Easy to assemble. Worked as described. This was a lifesaver for an overdue science project my son needed to get done for his 4th grade class. The instructions were easy to follow, the science was clear to understand and explain in his report, and he and his dad had fun building it and testing it out. It worked just as promised and the light is clear to see. Number 1. Toysmith Steam Weather Station. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of meteorology. This kit has everything you need to become a junior weather expert. Let's see what's included in this exciting kit. It's packed with tools and resources to help you understand weather patterns and climate change. It's easy to assemble your own weather station. Follow the simple instructions and you'll be tracking weather data in no time. This isn't just a toy, it's a learning tool. You'll learn about different weather phenomena, from rain and sunshine to wind and temperature. It also helps you understand the greenhouse effect and its impact on our planet. It's a fun and educational way to learn about climate change. With this kit, you can track weather patterns, make predictions, and even understand the science behind climate change. Have fun learning. What we like. It includes all the essential tools for a young meteorologist to learn about weather and climate change. It's a great way to introduce children to STEM concepts. If you are looking for a fun and educational weather station for your child, this is a great option. What people say. They are the perfect little nightlight in her room, and like that they're battery operated, so we can hang them anywhere. This crystal set was simple to use. They snap over LED lights and look amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.